This video will review the steps for QVN-1000 series module installation and removal. Prior to installing modules, identify whether the module should be installed on the left or right side of the panel. Align the notches of the connectors on the panel with the grooves on the module's connectors. When populating a blank display with modules, simply place them into position with your hands and gently snap them into place. To remove a module, disengage the removal tool by turning the knob clockwise and then center it on the face of the module to be removed. Turn the tool counterclockwise to engage the magnet and then firmly pull the module straight out until it disengages from the display face. Reverse the previous sequence to install a module in a populated display.